What if I told you you could create a professional YouTube video in just 5 minutes without showing your face, without editing, and with absolutely zero experience? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used AI to make a complete video, and how you can start making money from it too. If you love AI tools that save you time and help you make money online, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I share awesome tools like this every single week. And make sure to watch till the end. Even missing one small step could cost you something super valuable. Today, I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to create high-quality YouTube videos using a powerful AI tool called AI VideoGen. If you're just starting a channel or you want to grow fast without showing your face, this tool is perfect for you. And the best part? You don't need to know how to edit videos or hire anyone to help. AI takes care of. The first step is to open your browser and go to this website, https://videogen.io/?myvia=mha. Wait, this is where the magic begins. Everything runs completely online. No downloads, no complicated setup. Now you'll see a search bar that says enter your topic or keyword. Let's say you want to make a video called 9 Golden Rules for Creating Videos. Just type that phrase in. The AI will instantly suggest video ideas related to your topic. Just pick the one that fits best. Super easy, right? Once you've picked your idea, it's time to set up a few things. Video length. You can go short, around 300 words, medium, 600 words, or longer. I usually pick short or medium so it's more engaging for viewers. Lua. It supports tons of languages. English, Vietnamese, Spanish, and more. Just choose the one you want your video in. Voiceover. You can choose a male or female voice depending on your audience. I usually match the voice to the tone of the video. It makes it feel more natural and fun to watch.
And crisp audio to maintain professionalism. Start with a strong hook to grab attention right away. Incorporate storytelling elements to keep viewers invested. Add captions and graphics for accessibility and emphasis. Optimize your video for each platform. Always include a call to action.
Once your video is done, you can download it in HD or 4K quality. Then upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, wherever you want. Pro tips: switch an engaging title and description, tempers that match the topic, create a thumbnail that really stands out. Here are a few simple tips to help you do better. XCT clear, clickable titles. Always include a call to action to boost engagement. Post consistently. 2 to 3 videos per week is ideal. And remember, using AI VideoGen saves time while still producing quality content. Let's sum up why this tool is worth trying. Per game season. No filming, no editing needed. Cost effective. No need to hire a video team. Easy to use. Even beginners can do it. Whether you're running a faceless channel or trying to scale content faster, AI VideoGen is a powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more awesome AI tools coming your way. Wishing you success, and I'll see you in the next video.